किशोरी शक्ति योजना, किशोरी मतलब राइट टेंडर एज वाली फीमेल, एडोलेसेंट फीमेल. सो किशोरी शक्ति योजना एज द टर्म सेज एडोलेसेंट फीमेल को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने वाला है, राइट. सो एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ फीमेल्स अंडर मैटरनिटी बेनिफिट स्कीम नहीं है, इट इज एडोलेसेंट गर्ल स्कीम अंडर ICDS. ओके, so remember this comes under ICDS. It is adolescent girl scheme, helping them build up the skills, helping them in education, all of that. So remember, it is adolescent girl scheme under ICDS. It is not free compulsory education for girl child, right? It is not that. Project Akshaya is launched for Akshay, like it is क्षय. क्षय रोग यहाँ पे टीबी वाला होता है. सो रिमेंबर अक्षय इज टीबी फ्री. सो दिस इज फॉर टीबी कंट्रोल. ओके, दिस इज फॉर टीबी कंट्रोल. हमने 4 पिलर्स क्या देखे थे फॉर टीबी कंट्रोल वाले प्रोग्राम में? What are the 4 pillars we had seen in the last mock test, which is not a pillar? Out of prevent, eliminate, treat, build, detect, which is not a pillar in this 4 pillars of the strategic plan. Akshay, Nikshay. Nikusht is for leprosy. Nischay is for the pregnancy test kit. Very good. Eliminate was not there. The 4 pillars are, remember, it is PTBD. Prevent, treat, build, detect. There is no eliminate here. Okay, this is what we had seen in the last mock test. So 4 pillars में आता है prevent, treat, build, detect. There is no eliminate there. Okay. Nutrition week, just a fact-based thing for your MO exam. Maybe you should revise some days and some weeks which are important. So nutrition week is observed during first week of September. Okay, September में आता है nutrition week. You can remember this as September is like सात्विक खाना खाना है, eating sattvic food. So September sattvic food wala, which is nutrition week, is first week. What happened to the video? Okay, is it fine now? Right. Next one, as per biomedical waste guidelines, blood bags are discarded in, remember, blood red color goes in yellow, urine yellow color goes in red bag, right? So it goes in yellow. What is yellow is urine. Urine wala, the urine bags go into red bag, the blood bag goes into yellow bag. Is this clear with everyone? Red into yellow and yellow into red. This is what you should definitely remember. Next one. So this is a male, there's fever, weight loss, blood stain motions on and off, and there is hypoechoic cavity in the liver. So whenever you have this classical history of blood stained motions and then there is a liver lesion, you should always think about amoebiasis occurring first. So that is why there is those blood stained motions, and then it has entered into the liver and caused amoebic liver abscess. Generally the question also gives like alcoholic patient में ये common है, ठीक है? So this is amoebic liver abscess. There is dysentery with a liver lesion. You are going to think of amoebic liver abscess. Is this clear with everyone? Pyogenic liver abscesses are generally smaller and they are multiple. If it's a hydatid cyst, generally the question gives you it's a farmer in contact with cattle, dog, sheep, वो सब रहेगा, ठीक है? और हाइडाटेड में याद रखना, हाइडाटेड में कैल्सिफिकेशन भी प्रेजेंट होता है, वाटर लिली साइन होती है, वो सब होता है, ठीक है? कैल्सिफाइड लिवर लीजन दिया तो देन यू थिंक ऑफ हाइडाटेड. नेक्स्ट वन, high grade fever, cough, dyspnea. There was splenectomy which has been done. Now there is gram positive organism in pair. What is the most common organism? You know that OPSI, post splenectomy infections, the capsulated ones are common, and especially they have given you कि pair में है gram positive organism. It is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay, remember, how do we remember pneumonia? Pneumonia is in the lungs. We have 2 lungs. Pneumonia affects the 2 lungs. Remember, it is a diplococcus. Okay, it is a lanceolate shaped diplococcus, encapsulated. Quilling's reaction is positive. It is bile soluble. This is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay, Streptococcus pneumoniae. Is this clear with everyone? Right? So this is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Very, very important. Going to next one, most sensitive investigation for diagnosis of minimal pleural effusion. Whenever it is fluid, okay, remember for fluid, U for UST. Whenever you want to detect minimal quantity of fluid, it is ultrasound which is the best. So it is most sensitive is going to be ultrasound. How does fluid appear on ultrasound? On ultrasound, fluid appears black and echoic. Okay, it appears black, it appears anechoic. Okay, right. Next one, which of the following reflexes and the innervating spinal nerves are correctly paired? Here comes your trick, your mnemonic. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, clean the floor, patella wala. 5, 6, pick up the sticks, biceps. 7, 8, shut the gate, that is triceps. So ankle jerk is 1, 2, S1, S2. Biceps is 5, 6, pick up the sticks. Knee jerk is L3, L4. Triceps is 7, 8. Okay. So which one is correctly matched? It is the knee jerk. Okay, this is knee jerk. Recent हमने anatomy discussion में देखा था कि for the jaw jerk, what nucleus of trigeminal serves as the center for the jaw jerk? What nucleus? Is it the main sensory, spinal, mesencephalic? Remember, for the mesenteric reflex, the jaw jerk, it is mesencephalic nucleus. Okay, that is what carries the proprioception. Okay, mesencephalic nucleus, proprioception, that is important to be remembered. Drug of choice for pneumocystis carinii pneumonia is, remember for PCP, the drug of choice is cotrimoxazole. Okay, cotrimoxazole, which is Septran नाम से जो आता है, double strength Septran. Cotrimoxazole is the drug of choice. What else can you give is, you can also give clindamycin, also is tried in some patients, right? Cotrimoxazole is the drug of choice. Okay, clear with everyone? Yes, you give it when the prophylaxis is given when the CD4 count is less than 200. Yeah. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ टॉसिलीजुमैब जो हम कोविड-19 में यूज कर रहे थे, टॉसिलीजुमैब, रिमेंबर टॉसिली इज लाइक टॉस6, इट इज एक्टिंग अगेंस्ट इंटरल्यूकिन 6 रिसेप्टर एंटागोनिस्ट, both soluble and membrane bound. Okay, so TOSI is TOS6. So remember, it is interleukin 6 receptor antagonist. Okay, interleukin 6 receptor antagonist. Correct.